Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my Encourager social media planner, and I'm going to be using mainly the Encourager Classic Sticker Book. I'm also going to use some flowers out of Fun Florals, and I found the same flowers in this teal color Happy Memory Keeping sticker book. So I've pre-chosen some stickers already. This is going to be the color scheme that I go with, which also matches the colors that are on the page. So I did go ahead and redate, and I used my Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays sticker book. I believe I used the pink one to put my dates at the top. So this is the week of November 11th through the 17th. And look at these colors. I love these colors. So they're going to match perfectly with this spread. And then I thought I would use these purple flowers, if I can find them, right here. So they have these purple flowers, and the same flowers are also in this memory keeping sticker book. And then I'm also going to use some of these washi strips that match. So I'm actually very excited. When I started looking for these stickers the other night, I didn't realize that all of this was in here. So I kind of wish these quotes weren't quite as big. But of course the memory keeping happy planners are big planners. But I mean, these quotes would match this spread perfectly, but they're too big. So the first thing I want to do is put this girl sticker down here on my random acts of kindness. So if you're wondering why I use the wax paper is something that Allie at According to Allie came up with. She's brilliant, because the wax paper, not only can you use it to pre-plan your stickers, because you can actually lay out your stickers on your spread on the wax paper before you actually commit, so you can kind of see what's going on beforehand. But also the wax on the paper gets on the back of these stickers, and it takes some of the stickiness off, so it makes them more repositionable. Okay, so let's go to this. It's not really washi, but that's what I'm going to call it. This is a clear sticker, and I want to lay, oh, this spread's going to be so pretty, y'all. This is going to go right here. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dogs. They are wrestling in the kitchen. I told them to be quiet, but they won't listen. So look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me go find the other one. Let's see. And of course these are really, really long, because they are for memory planners, for the Big Happy Planner. So I'm going to put this on my wax paper, because I may need to pull it up and reposition it. So I'm going to try to center it. Since there's only 3 days here, I'm going to try to center it and then cut off the excess. So maybe, uh-oh, oh my gosh, I just ripped my page off. Alright, be very careful. This is a disaster. I just ripped my page again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. I should have never tried it from that position to begin with. I think I'm going to lay it. So I'm just trying to keep my teal and my purple on the page, because I'm going to have to cut off these edges. So I'm going to grab my little slice tool, and thank you to everyone who has used my links that are in my description. I think I checked my Amazon affiliate account the other day, and I already have like $28. So hey, that's $28. So I do have links in the description for things like my slice tool, my tweezers, my correction tape. So in all of my videos, you'll find those links in the description boxes. So of course Amazon made like $500 on your guys' orders, but I'll take 28. I'm happy with that. Okay. Let's try not to rip this again. Alright. Whew. That was nerve-wracking. Okay. Look how pretty that is. Those colors, they match. All of this just matches perfectly. This is going to be like my favorite spread, I'm sure. Okay. So, I'm going to take this sticker, put it on this side so I can fold my page. Alright, so what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to change my filming editing day from Thursday to Monday because Mondays are super productive for me. So I'm going to put my little to-do list on Monday. And do I need to white out those lines? Yeah. Some people it doesn't bother, but me, I don't like to see lines through my stickers. So I'm just going to white these two out real quick. So let's see. Okay. So that's cute. And let's do something over here with this side. I think I'm just going to take this Today sticker. I always like to have like a box or something in these corners over here. I always like to start with my corners. So there's a little tip for you. Start in the corner and work your way into the spread. I think the sticker's crooked. Okay. Now, I was thinking it would be cute because this girl has some stars in her background, and then we have these like swashes in this sticker. So I was thinking it would be cute to rotate on my pages. So I think I'm just going to put this here Tuesday, and Tuesdays will be my filming days as well, but whatever I don't get done on Mondays. So I just found that I'm more productive at the beginning of the week versus the end of the week whenever I'm just over the week. Alright, so that is very cute. And then I'm going to take my stars, and I think I'm going to put this up here. And I'm going to put another Today box. Now this Today box has this little cup in it. So I'm probably going to have to grab a little cup, if I can remember, out of the Encourager sticker book, just to have a cup on this page. That's just how OCD I am about my pages matching. I like for them to be very similar. Okay, so let's see. I did want to use some of these hearts like as icons, and I'm not sure if I'm actually going to go in with these flowers or not now. Let's see. See in the Encourager sticker book if there's anything else I think I can use. Now here's a quote that I can use, and it says, "Girls support girls." And I can actually put that, do I want to put that here? Let's try it. I'm going to put it on my wax paper first, just in case I don't like it. And then this might be where the flowers would come in pretty. Maybe I should lay a flower down. This is totally experimental, so I may take all of this back up. Maybe it'd be cute to put my quotes over a flower. Yes, I like that. So now should I put another flower in the top corner of my quotes? I think I might try it. So let me grab another flower. Maybe I'll grab a smaller one. Let's see what my options are. I think there's a whole bunch more in here. Yep. Yeah, you actually get 2 pages of the smaller ones in this memory keeping sticker book. I think I'm going to just go with this. It's a different color, a different shade of purple. But I think that's cute. Okay, so that turned out pretty cute. Now I do need some flowers over here on this side, of course. So I may try to find another box and layer a box and a flower. So let's see. How about this box? And I gotta quit closing up my memory keeping sticker book. Let's see which one I can pair. This one. So I'm going to grab this purple. I love these colors. Yeah, this is going to be like my favorite of all time. So I'm going to put my flower here. And then, oh, I didn't put my flower far enough over. So let me move that, if I can get it up. Because I do want to be able to see my flower behind my box. Maybe I could do this. No, I don't like that. So again, you'll see that I'm just not whiting out as much as I normally would. There's just a whole bunch of lines in this layout, so I would literally be running out of Jelly Roll ink and I'd be whiting out all day. So I'm just not going to let these little lines that go through my flowers, not going to let it bother me. Okay, y'all, this is turning out so cute. I feel like I need a box up here with a flower too. So let's do the same thing on this side. And it looks like, I don't know if I really want to use a huge flower. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this little dark purple one. And let me go ahead and grab these other ones just so I'll have them and have to quit flipping through all these books. Okay. Because these, I feel like, well, there's a couple of small ones. I just don't want to use this green stuff here. I want to just stick to the flowers. But I feel like all of these are just too big. Alright. Now, let's see what kind of box I can use. There's a purple, but then my flower's purple. How about this today? Let's put this over here and put this today sticker right here. So, and then I pretty much do the same things every day on social media or every week, but I do like to have everything written down. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I write on the page, so I don't necessarily need a box just to write something in. So I can do before the pen planning, where I put my stickers down before I actually write my plans in. So, and once I do my planning, as I go, I don't add stickers. I generally just don't do that. So I like this today sticker. I'm not exactly sure where it would go. I probably just grabbed it for nothing. Yep. Okay, we're gonna put that back. I love how these colors look together. So let's see one more time here. How about if we use this teal, because I have 2 flowers left. So I'll grab these little boxes and maybe, let's see, I can use one down here, and then maybe one up here. We'll see. So let's take this. This is where I usually write my stats, so I do need to save myself a little bit of room. But I can put one of my stats here. That's so cute. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is use this little box down here with this flower for one of my stats. And I think I'm going to try to use this washi, this little bit that I have left, just to put in the top of one of these boxes, or maybe two. So I'm going to cut, let's see, I'm going to cut this off where I actually cut around the top of my page earlier, and then I'm just gonna kind of center it. Y'all know I don't like wasting stickers, so we're just gonna put it there just for cuteness. And then I'm gonna try to use this piece too. So where should I use this piece? And now I put the purple here under this teal color, so I don't want to put the teal. So I'm going to need to come over here with it, and let's just put it, yeah, let's just put it here. You can see where I actually ripped my page there. So I'm going to cut that one off. That's where I ripped my page at the top. Alright, so let's just put this one over here. Just cute little accents, and that way I don't feel guilty about wasting stickers. There. Look how cute it is. Okay, so I'm not going to use my little heart icons that I wanted to use. And I do have one little flower left, but I'm not going to use that either. So these are the stickers I'm not using. I will put those back. But I do want to find a cup to put over here on this side, so that this won't look so much out of place. So let's just look real quick and see if I can find a cup. That one's on a white sticker. This one's on a white sticker too, but it's better than the other one. So I think I'm just going to put it down here. Yeah, I don't really like that. How about right there? That's cute. And then I just had an idea for this flower. I can actually put underneath my to-do box on Monday. There. I love it. Okay. So, oh, I just laid everything on my planner, and I want to put my pages back in my planner. So hopefully you guys are enjoying my videos, and if you enjoyed this one, make sure you give me a thumbs up, please. So this is what it looks like. I love this. These are my favorite colors here. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider, and if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss any notifications. And this is it. So I will see you guys on my Homebody Classic Dashboard video. Bye guys.